Your mouth, Wiggly. Ah! I'm knocking books out. Now I can't see it. It's too wide. Stick your teeth. There's that first wiggly, wiggly tooth Stephanie has. How old are you, Stephanie? 4 with one wiggly tooth. Do you think you're going to lose it before your 5th birthday? When is your birthday?
April 25th.
April 25th. You're going to be 5. With the wiggliest tooth in the world. Should I move in really, really close to the one tooth? Here, open. Open your mouth. Let me see. Don't put your tongue there. All I see is a crazy tongue. It looks very scary. Let me back up. Whoa, there's Stephanie. I'm zooming in on Stephanie's mouth. There's the mouth.
Well, not you stop.
Okay.
Now look at the first.
Here we go. It's Easter Sunday. But where are all the children? It's almost 7 o'clock. Nobody's up. Christian's basket. Stephanie. There's our house guest, Marky. There's Lukey. There's Mama. There's the birdie's biscuit. Must be out by the bird cage.
What's Stephanie got?
We got what? Jigglypuff.
Where's mine?
What, is this yours here?
Oh, I got Pikachu.
Pikachu. Plus the big crazy rabbit.
He didn't hide the eggs.
Wait, there's a sign he left for you.
What?
What's that little sign he left? What's that say?
Go find your one secret egg plus 3 funny surprise.
Oh, that means he left something. Well, don't look for it yet. Why don't we wait till Stephanie comes down? Who is it? Stephanie, look what the Easter monkey left you.
That's mine.
Where's yours? Look what you have.
Stephanie.
Stephanie, what do you have?
He has your. He hit one of your
Stephanie,
eggs.
show me the little prize that you have in your.
Can I go get my
Yeah.
prize, Dad?
Yeah.
Can I go get my prize?
Okay.
Stephanie, you have 5 minutes. Look for it. Look for Stephanie.
Did you find your prize?
Yep. Look at my Pokeball blaster.
That Easter bunny took good care of you guys.
I think I'll like her next. Should I open
That's
it?
right. Yeah, you can open it.
Oh, good.
Jigglypuff.
Mark got something too. Look.
Yeah, that Marky's lucky. Happy birthday, yeah.
Please.
Please.
Alrighty.
Yo, what's up?
Jenny, you want a little dose?
Jenny.
Just a chip girl. Make it 5 minutes, Jenny. What do you want, chips or pretzels?
Stephanie, whose birthday is it? Yay. How old are you? 4? 5.
5. The big 5.
What's up, Bill? Is this your birthday party?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Are they all your presents over there?
Yeah.
They must be
Mine.
Stephanie's presents.
Speedy.
Speedy's presents. Way to go, Speedy. A secret dog. Oh, what?
Stephanie's out. Okay, let's see. We're down to the 3.
Ooh, that was stereo.
We already got it.
Stephanie, what happened? Did you get out?
Yes.
You got out on purpose, didn't you?
No.
She has earrings in?
No. Paste
Jenny.
Sorry. I was like, gosh, Karen.
Oh, this is Bryce King. He knows all the
Getting
tricks.
pierced ears.
Jenny wins.
Kinds of crazy. I know.
First win.
Uh-oh. Who's gonna win?
Hey,
Somebody
Pick it
gotta
up.
Pick him up. Bryce, it's yours. He's yours. Pick him up quick. Oh no, Bryce, that was yours.
I don't think we better do that one again.
Everybody ready to sing?
It's on wheels, Ryan.
Oh, there you go. There's the chair.
It has wheels.
Ready?
Don't run too much.
Stephanie, ready to get your cakey?
Can you get over? Oh,
Who's gonna sing? No one here knows the happy birthday, do they?
I got squeezing.
Let's sing happy birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stephanie. Or Speedy. Happy birthday to you.
Yay, Speedy.
Make a wish. Speedy. Keep blowing. Keep blowing. Yay!
wow. Big five.
Big 5.
Oh, Lisa. Smile. You're on candy camera. Yo, what's up with you kids? What's up with you, Kyle? What's going on? Where's your mom hiding?
Yeah, you can.
Bill. Yo, Bill. What's up? Ice cream. Where's my man Ryan? Yo, Ryan. What's up?
Let me give everybody cake,
What's up?
and then I'll give you more.
I didn't get a food.
What are you talking about, boy?
I didn't get a food.
Slacking in the
Mm-mm.
I